This is the best pink blush. Now, it's gorgeous and everything, and if you're not new here, you already know what I'm going to say. But if you are new here, hi! Also, first of all, hello! I'm Courtney Quarantine, your host. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're returning, hi bestie, I know you know what I'm going to say. If you're curious about any of my content or my work, please check the description. I have linked it below. I'm everywhere. I also just started Cyberpunk and streaming, so if that's a game you're interested in, please come join. It's been so fun. I'm getting obsessed. But anyway, blush, this blush. And it's mine. If you've heard me talk about internet grunge before, you already know. It is my collection with Mob Beauty, and it contains my favorite dream blush. Now, I wanted a blush that could be versatile, however you say that. Something that could be light, something that could be really punchy. Mob's formula was perfect for that. That is how we got M150. Now, I'm about to show you this palette, and I know it's not clean, okay? I really use my makeup, and this is also my personal palette. If this was like a kit or something, it would look different, okay? This is a daily palette for me. It contains my internet grunge items up here. 3 out of the 5 items, I should say. The other 2 were obviously the lips. So I've got my cream clay, my cake liner, and then M150, my beloveds. Now, there's a couple reasons why I made this blush, and to skip just a little bit of the lore because I don't want to cry, it was just important to me to have this kind of pink in the collection, this kind of neon-y pop. I'm going to show you just a little bit light on my cheek, and then I'm going to build it up as well because you can get a gradient out of one of these cream clay blushes. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to just put it really, really light. You can get this like whisper sheer of pink. So cute. Like, that's so light. And while I do love that, and I wear this blush light very often, I also just like to layer this blush because I think this is like a shade I really quite enjoy mixing in. That's cute. That's very cute. But I'm going to bump it up a little bit. And I put like the concentrated color more out here. I like this blush placement. I think it's really cute and fun. You can obviously have your blush wherever you want for your desired kind of effect. But to me, it's just like, oh, I don't know. It's perfect. So again, I can have this light, like whisper of pink, but it's still cute. You can go even more intense than this, and I certainly have for looks that I really want. Like, I want so much blush. I want an ungodly amount of blush. Ungodly? Is that really the word, that the descriptor I want to use there? I don't know. Oh, it's just so perfect. I wear this with so many things. And for a while there, I was like, okay, maybe I should like stop wearing it so much because like, we get it, you made a blush. But also I'm like, well, who's that voice talking? Not mine. Certainly not mine. That's a hater voice right there. So anyway, I love this blush so much. I feel obviously so personally attached to it. And I love a lot of pink blushes. There are a lot of pink blushes that I have and I love. They're powder pink blushes. If you want to see those, let me know, that I absolutely cannot be without. This one to me is just like super versatile. Again, versatile, I don't know. Now, I'm putting it on before I set my face today, but another reason why I particularly wanted to have this blush with Mob is this is a cream blush that I feel like is so magical formula-wise, but I can put it on top of powder and it still looks good. It doesn't skip. It doesn't get patchy. It doesn't get gross. That drives me bonkers. So, as you can see, I set it and it kind of tones it down just a little bit more. But again, you can layer and really amp it up if that's something that you're interested in. I am going to take a little bit more and put it on my nose because yes, it's cute. Just love it. I just love it so much. Oh, it's so cute. Another thing I do really love about this, and I've talked about this like technique before, is taking a cream clay blush and putting it on your lips. It has this like soft blurred. Ugh. This is like my hot pink lip. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. And if you did want to cool it down, you could of course take a little bit of Blue Balm. Oh, I love it so much. M150 truly is everything to me, and you can do so much with it. As always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! It's a hot blush. It's a hot blush.